There we go. All right, Elliot. You'll come out. We'll wait. Oh, there he goes. Never really cared for Elliot. Right, let's give Abigail her gift. Holy shit, I just realized the jellies are actually useless. What the fuck have I been doing? So, how close are you to winning? Pretty close. He lost the game. Oh, what the fuck? Little creeper? Actually, no, I like that Leo's in town, though. Abigail! You are. All right, Abigail's pretty close. Do we give Krobus a gift? We did, okay. So yeah, Elliot, we're gonna wait for his birthday tomorrow. Did you really just do that? Okay. Let's go kill 50 bats. Wait. Let's make a monster musk. It is an insane feat of internet culture that is legible to so many. Fair. I think we're gonna go right because I need forgeables. I need snow yams. Let's go floor 35. Nope, floor 45. That should have been a one shot. I have greater chance of finding ladders. What the freak? There we go. I should have worn my Java ring, but whatever. I actually want mystery boxes, if I'm being so real. Oh, right, and snow yams, too.